Answer me when I call, O God of my righteousness. Give me relief from my distress. Have mercy on me and hear my prayer. My beloved child, listen closely. I see your heart. I see your struggle. You have called out to me, yet the burdens feel heavy. You feel misunderstood, overlooked, and pressed down by the trials of life. But hear me, I am listening. I am never far from you. Psalm 4. 1 is a cry of urgency, a deep expression of reliance, a declaration of trust. When David wrote this, he was surrounded by pressure enemies, distress, and uncertainty. Yet he turned to me with complete confidence, saying, Answer me, O God of my righteousness. Child, notice the words, God of my righteousness. This is not boasting. This is acknowledgement that I am the one who establishes what is right, the one who sees beyond human judgment, the one who upholds justice, truth, and goodness. When you call me by this name, you are affirming that my ways are perfect, that my guidance is flawless, that I am the only one who can bring relief in times of distress. Relief from distress. You may feel weighed down by problems, relationships strained, responsibilities overwhelming, fears multiplying. David calls for relief. He says, Give me relief from my distress. Child, I tell you the same today. You are not meant to carry these burdens alone. I am your refuge, your shelter, your resting place. When distress knocks on your door, run to me. Place your troubles before me. Cast your anxieties into my hands, and I will replace them with peace, clarity, and strength. Even Jesus in the Garden of Gethsemane prayed with urgency when facing immense pressure. He turned to me expressing his deepest need. Just as I heard him, I hear you. Your prayers are not ignored. Your cries are not overlooked. I am a God who responds, a God who moves, a God who delivers. Have mercy on me. David also cries, Have mercy on me. Mercy is my unearned kindness, my tender care in the midst of your struggle. Child, remember, you do not have to earn my mercy. It flows freely from my heart to yours. When you feel overwhelmed by guilt, shame, or fear, my mercy meets you there. It heals, restores, and gives hope. Consider the Psalms throughout the Bible. Psalm 51:1, for example, echoes this plea. Have mercy on me, O God, according to your unfailing love. According to your great compassion, blot out my transgressions. Both verses emphasize that mercy is not a reward, it is a gift. Mercy is my response to a sincere heart that seeks me. Hear my prayer. Prayer is your lifeline. Psalm 4:1 ends with a simple, profound statement. Hear my prayer. I am listening. I am not distracted. I am not indifferent. Every word, every sigh, every tear you lift up reaches my ears. Child, prayer is more than words. It is alignment with my heart. When you speak to me, you are opening a channel of power, protection, and provision. Prayer invites me into your situation. It brings my presence into the room, into your heart, into the challenge you face. Lessons from Psalm 4. This psalm reminds you that 1. Call to me boldly, do not hesitate or shy away from expressing your need. I delight in your trust. 2. Rest in my righteousness. Even if the world is unfair, I am just. I see the truth of your heart and the intentions behind your actions. 3. Relief is promised. I will lift burdens, calm storms, and provide answers according to my perfect timing. 4. Mercy is abundant. No mistake, no weakness, no failure is too great for my mercy. 5. Prayer is powerful. Speak, cry, whisper, I hear it all. Prayer changes hearts, changes circumstances, and invites my intervention, connecting to other scriptures. If you look through the Psalms and other parts of the Bible, this theme repeats. Psalm 18:6. In my distress I called to the Lord. I cried to my God for help. From his temple he heard my voice. My cry came before him into his ears. Psalm 34:17. The righteous cry out, and the Lord hears them. He delivers them from all their troubles. Notice the pattern? Whenever you call out with a sincere heart, I hear, I respond, I deliver. Psalm 4:1 sits squarely within this promise. Your distress does not go unnoticed. Your cry does not vanish into the void. I am actively listening and ready to act. Practical steps for you. Child, here is what I want you to do. Number 1. Cry out honestly. Do not hold back tears, fears, or frustrations. Intent 2. Rest in my righteousness. Trust that I am your guide, your defender, your provider. And 3. Seek my mercy when guilt, shame, or worry overwhelms you. Ask me for mercy. It is freely given. 4. Pray without ceasing. Lift your requests, your heart, and your life to me daily. Remember, my child, prayer is not just asking, it is also listening. Sit quietly, feel my presence. Let my spirit speak peace into your soul. My final word to you. Psalm 4. One is not just a historical cry, it is a living invitation. I am inviting you today to cast all your cares upon me, to trust my righteousness, to seek my mercy, and to believe that I hear your prayers. No matter the distress, the trial, the fear, or the opposition, I am here. I am listening. I am ready to act. Your call reaches my throne, and I am moving on your behalf. So call to me boldly. Rest in my righteousness. Receive my mercy. Speak to me and hear my answer. I am your God, your defender, your refuge, and I will not leave you without relief. How long, O people, will you turn my honor into shame? How long will you love lies and falsehood? Know that the Lord has set apart the faithful for himself. The Lord hears when I call. My beloved child, listen to my voice. This verse is a call for reflection, a call for truth, and a reminder of my justice and presence. David cries out, not just to me, but also to the people around him, expressing frustration over dishonesty, deceit, and the mocking of righteousness. Child, notice the first part. How long, O people, will you turn my honor into shame? This is not a complaint of defeat, it is a declaration of integrity. David is saying, I have sought to honor God, yet others twist it into ridicule. I have done right, but they do wrong. You too may face moments when your honesty, your integrity, your love for truth is mocked or misrepresented. The world may question your motives. People may twist your good deeds or even reject your faith. Yet hear me, I see everything. I honor those who honor me. I uphold the faithful. Your reputation in my eyes matters more than the world's applause. Falsehood and lies. David continues. How long will you love lies and seek falsehood? Child, lies are everywhere. They come from the enemy who wants to steal your peace, your joy, and your focus. They come from human pride, misunderstanding, or deceit. Lies try to make you question my goodness. Lies attempt to pull you into fear, anger, or resentment. But here is the truth. My word is your anchor. When falsehood surrounds you, hold tightly to me. Let the light of my truth expose deception. I am the God of justice, and I will not let falsehood stand against those who are faithful to me. The Lord sets apart the faithful. David says next, know that the Lord has set apart the faithful for himself. Child, this is a profound truth. Those who love me, who seek to walk in righteousness, who call on me in sincerity, they are set apart. I am not distant from you. I am not passive. I am actively separating you from harm, from deceit, from compromise. This idea repeats throughout Scripture. Isaiah 41:10. Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Psalm 34:15. The eyes of the Lord are on the righteous, and his ears are attentive to their cry. Notice the pattern. When you are faithful, I am attentive. When you are set apart for me, I do not ignore you. I protect you. I guide you. I hear your prayers. The Lord hears your call. David ends the verse with a reminder. The Lord hears when I call. Child, never underestimate the power of calling on me. Every prayer, every sigh, every tear reaches my throne. I am listening, not distracted, not indifferent, not delayed. Even when the world seems deaf, my ears are tuned to your voice. Your call is an invitation for my presence to move. It is a declaration of faith. And I answer, sometimes immediately, sometimes through guidance, sometimes through unexpected provision, but I always respond. With practical lessons for you. 1. Stand in truth. Do not compromise for the sake of comfort or approval. Even when others twist your actions, remain faithful. 2. Recognize lies. Not everything you hear or see is reality. Compare everything to my word, and let me guide you in discernment. 3. Trust in my protection. You are set apart. I am watching, guiding, and defending you. 4. Call to me boldly. Speak your heart openly. Pour out your needs. Trust that I hear and respond. This verse is a reminder that faithfulness is never wasted. Even when the world ridicules you, even when lies surround you, even when enemies try to harm your reputation, my eyes are on you. I protect, I defend, and I honor those who belong to me. Connecting to other scriptures. This theme of being set apart and heard echoes throughout the Bible. Jeremiah 29:12-13. Then you will call on me and come and pray to me, and I will listen to you. You will seek me and find me when you seek me with all your heart. Psalm 34:17. The righteous cry out, and the Lord hears them. He delivers them from all their troubles. See the consistency? The faithful are never ignored. Even when surrounded by deception, lies, and mockery, the faithful are set apart from my care, my guidance, and my protection. My final word to you. Child, remember, integrity matters. Faithfulness matters. Truth matters. Do not allow the lies of the world to shake your confidence. Do not allow mocking voices to silence your faith. Call on me boldly, knowing that I hear. Walk in righteousness, knowing that I honor you. Stand firm in truth, knowing that you are set apart. The world may twist your actions or speak against you, but I will never twist my love or abandon you. Your prayers are powerful. Your faithfulness is precious. And I am with you always, today and forever. Know that the Lord has set apart those who are faithful to him. The Lord hears when I call to him. My beloved child, listen closely. This verse is a profound reminder of my constant presence, my care, and my attention to those who belong to me. David wrote these words in a time of struggle, uncertainty, and opposition. He faced enemies, criticism, and misunderstanding. Yet he declared a truth that never changes. Those who are faithful are set apart by me, and their cries never go unheard. Child, hear me. Know that the Lord has set apart the faithful for himself. This is not just a comforting phrase. It is a declaration of divine protection. When the world presses against you, when lies and deceit attempt to steal your peace, you are not alone. I have chosen you, I have set you apart, and I am actively guarding your heart, your mind, and your spirit. The assurance of being set apart. Being set apart means you are chosen, not because of your perfection, but because of your willingness to trust me. It is a sacred calling to live differently, to walk in righteousness, and to honor me in all that you do. Consider what the Bible says elsewhere about being set apart. Romans 12:2. Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. 1 Peter 2:9. But you are a chosen people, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, God's special possession. Child, these verses echo the same truth. Being set apart is about living in alignment with me. It is about choosing faith over fear, truth over lies, and my ways over the ways of the world. When you do this, you are not just surviving, you are thriving in my presence. Faithfulness brings attention. David continues, the Lord hears when I call. Child, this is a promise. I am attentive to every cry, every whisper, every heartfelt prayer. I do not overlook the righteous. I do not delay my response out of indifference. Even if the situation seems impossible, even if the odds are stacked against you, I am listening and I am moving. Look at other scriptures for context. Psalm 34:17. The righteous cry out and the Lord hears them. He delivers them from all their troubles. Jeremiah 33:3. Call to me and I will answer you and tell you great and unsearchable things you do not know. Child, notice the pattern. The faithful are not ignored. When you remain true to me, I am actively involved in your life. I hear you, I answer you, and I bring resolution and peace that the world cannot give. We're living set apart in a challenging world. Being set apart does not mean life is free of trials. In fact, sometimes it means standing strong when everyone else is wavering. It means walking in integrity when others compromise. It means speaking truth when lies surround you. But remember this, every challenge you face is an opportunity for my power to be revealed. Every trial is a chance for faith to grow. When the enemy tries to overwhelm you, my spirit strengthens you. When doubt whispers in your mind, my word anchors you. When fear rises, my presence calms you. Practical guidance for you. 1. Stay faithful even when others mock, misunderstand, or reject you. Choose me. 2. Pray boldly, speak to me about your needs, your fears, your victories. I am always listening. 3. Trust my protection. Being set apart means I am guarding you. You are not alone in your struggles. 4. Stand firm in truth. Lies may surround you, but faith in me will keep you grounded. 5. Reflect my light. As one who is set apart, you are called to shine my light into the darkness around you. Connecting to other scriptures. David's declaration in Psalm 4:3 resonates with many other verses that emphasize my attention to the faithful. Isaiah 41:10. Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Psalm 18:6. In my distress I called to the Lord. I cried to my God for help. From his temple he heard my voice. My cry came before him into his ears. Notice how the same message repeats. My people are not abandoned. My faithful ones are not ignored. When you call, I respond. When you trust, I protect. When you seek, you find me. My final word to you. Child, Psalm 4:3 is a declaration of hope and assurance. You are set apart. You are chosen. You are heard. Even in moments of fear, confusion, or opposition, remember this. I am attentive to you. I am active on your behalf. Your faithfulness matters. Your prayers are powerful. Your life has purpose. Call to me boldly. Live in integrity and trust that I am working all things for your good. You are not alone. You are not forgotten. You are my child, my faithful one, and I hear you. Stand in this truth. Walk in this assurance, and let your life reflect my presence and my glory to the world.